Welcome back, everyone. It's time for Throwback Thursday.
Welcome to another episode of the Lessons for Success podcast. I'm your host, Adam Wardlaw, a middle school science teacher and high school football coach in South Carolina. Thank you for joining the podcast, heard by nearly 2,000 listeners across 37 states here in America and 14 countries worldwide. Each day's episode has a different theme. Monday episodes feature motivational messages to get your week started on the right foot. Tuesday episodes provide practical tips for being more efficient in different areas of your life. Wednesday episodes will feature wise words from various sources. Thursday episodes will look back in the history books at noteworthy moments. And Friday episodes will feature feel-good stories and messages to finish your week off on a high note. If you're listening on iPhone, be sure to give the show a 5-star rating on Apple Podcast. Now let's start the show. January 22nd, 2006. The Black Mamba Kobe Bryant drops an insane 81 points in an LA Lakers 122-104 victory over the Toronto Raptors. Welcome back to the Throwback Thursday here on the Lessons for Success Show podcast. Kobe Bryant's Hall of Fame career boasts 5 NBA championships, 4 MVP trophies, and numerous other accomplishments. Perhaps his 81 points scored back in 2006 are just as synonymous with his name as the 2 different jersey numbers he wore throughout his career. 81 points was the second most points scored by an NBA player in league history. The real reason I wanted to discuss Kobe with you guys was because he was known for more than just his on-court play. Kobe's nickname, the Black Mamba, transcended into a mentality that's still relevant in pop culture. The Mamba Mentality was Kobe's approach to basketball and life in general. It's even the title of his first book, available wherever books are sold. In a 2016 interview, Kobe explained that the Mamba Mentality is simply trying to improve yourself every day. Kobe describes it as a constant quest that never sleeps. This was evident long before Kobe entered the NBA. When he was in high school, he would be walking in the gym at 5 a.m. and wouldn't leave for a couple hours. If he didn't have to attend classes, he probably would have stayed even longer. In high school, in order to get enough practice, he would make his teammates and peers play pickup games that went beyond the simple game of 21. He would often want to play pickup games until one team scored 100 points. When Kobe was just entering the league, a former head coach of the Lakers recalls seeing Bryant in the gym practicing for 2 hours before the official start of team workouts. There are numerous stories and legends about the work ethic of Kobe Bryant. It's no wonder that he could drop 81 points in a game among other accolades. But the lesson I want you to learn is that Kobe Bryant did not become who he is without hours and hours of practice above and beyond the minimum requirements. Like we've discussed before here on the show, many people want to be great. I hear middle school students talking all the time about how they want to be professional athletes or they want to be actors and musicians. Many lack the awareness of what it takes to truly be great. Take a lesson from Kobe Bryant. Greatness does not come easy. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Throwback Thursday. My favorite part about these episodes is that it means the weekend's coming soon. What are some other examples of successful people in their relentless effort for improving themselves? You can shoot me a message on the Anchor app or reach out to the show on social media and let me know. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
Time for a quick commercial.
That's right, Ellie. This episode is brought to you by Anchor. Anchor is the easiest way to make a podcast. Anchor gives you everything you need in one place for free, which you can use right from your phone or computer. Creation tools allow you to record and edit your podcast so it sounds great. And they'll even distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard everywhere. Places like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and many more. You can easily make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. To get started, download the Anchor app or go to anchor.fm today. That's it, everybody, for another episode of the Lessons for Success podcast. Thank you for listening. If you're listening on an iPhone, remember to give the show a 5-star rating so that our audience can keep growing. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok by searching at L4S Show or using the hashtag L4S Show. Remember, that's the number 4. And episodes are also published on the Lessons for Success YouTube channel. Thank you again, and tune in next time on the Lessons for Success podcast.